Hello friends, welcome you all in the science topic again. We have started second chapter of science, work and energy. Now, page number 20 in your textbook. Today we'll study about unit of work and relationship between joule and work. Joule and erg. Unit of work. See, definition we have studied. What is the definition? Work is equal to product of force into displacement. वर्क की डेफिनेशन आपने स्टडी किया है. वर्क इज इक्वल टू फोर्स इंटू डिस्प्लेसमेंट. So this is the definition. Yes. Now, how to find the unit of work? Unit of work is equal to, what is the unit of force? Force unit is Newton. Yes. And what is the unit of displacement? Is meter. Therefore, force is Newton and displacement unit is meter. So what will be the SI unit of work? Newton meter. See, in SI system, the unit of force is Newton into meter. Yes, Newton into meter. So the unit of force is Newton meter, and this Newton meter is also called as joule. 1 Newton meter is equal to 1 joule. So 1 joule of work is done if a force of 1 Newton displaces an object through 1 meter in the direction of the force. The amount of work done of the object is 1 joule. म्हणजे 1 जूल वर्क केव्हा होणार? ज्या वेळेस 1 न्यूटन फोर्स अप्लाय केल्यानंतर त्या ऑब्जेक्टला 1 मीटर फोर्सच्या डायरेक्शननं जर तुम्ही जर डिस्प्लेस करत असाल तर ते जे वर्क होईल ते होणार 1 जूल. दॅट्स वाय 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 1 न्यूटन इंटू 1 मीटर. सो द सिम्बॉल ऑफ जूल इज जे इज इक्वल टू न्यूटन कैपिटल N and meter M. So 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton 1 meter. Now CGS unit. How to find the CGS unit? Yes. Similarly, CGS unit of force is a dyne. Yes, dyne. And CGS unit of displacement is centimeter. So CGS unit of work is dyne into centimeter. So in CGS unit, there for the unit of force is dyne and that of displacement is centimeter. Thus the unit is dyne centimeter. This is called erg. Dyne, 1 dyne into centimeter is called erg. ते होणार erg. Yes. Therefore 1 erg, या ठिकाणी 1 erg is equal to 1 dyne into 1 centimeter. So remember, the SI unit of work is Newton meter or joule. CGS unit of work is dyne into centimeter or ergs. Now let us study what will be the relation between joule and erg. Yes. So we have studied 1 Newton. What is the relation between Newton and dyne? 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. And 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter means 10 raised to 2. Yes. 100 centimeter, 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So by the formula, work is equal to force into displacement. Yes. So force, Newton unit, and displacement meter. So 1 Newton into 1 meter means 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter. But 1 Newton is equal to how much? 10 raised to 5 dyne. So right here 10 raised to 5 dyne into 1 meter. 1 meter means 10 raised to 2, 10 raised to 2 centimeter. Therefore 10 raised to 5, yes, this 10 raised to 5 and 10 raised to 2, matlab 5 plus 2, 7. 10 raised to 7 dyne into centimeter. Means finally we'll get the relation 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg. 10 raised to 7 erg. So this is the relation between joule and erg. How to find, you understand? First, Newton, 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. See, we have to remember first 1 Newton is equal to 10 raised to 5 dyne. And 1 meter means 100 centimeter, means 10 raised to 2 centimeter. So the definition of work is force into displacement. Force unit है न्यूटन एंड डिस्प्लेसमेंट है मीटर. हाँ, अभी 1 न्यूटन हमने लिखा है, 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू 10 रेज़ टू 5. सो राइट 1 न्यूटन की जगह 10 रेज़ टू 5 डाइन एंड 1 मीटर की जगह 10 रेज़ टू 2. सो 10 रेज़ टू 5 इंटू 10 रेज़ टू 2, 10 रेज़ टू 7 डाइन इंटू सेंटीमीटर. मतलब 1 जूल, यस 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 10 रेज़ टू 7 अर्ग. दिस इज कॉल्ड अर्ग, क्योंकि डाइन सेंटीमीटर हमने देखा यहाँ पे अर्ग है. यस, डाइन सेंटीमीटर अर्ग है. Therefore 1 joule is equal to 10 raised to 7 erg. This is the unit or relation between joule and erg. So write this whole topic, unit of work, and write the relation between joule and erg, because there will be the question asked, what is the relation between joule and erg? So you have to explain this relation between joule and erg. Okay, thank you.